So back here in Cartagena for the second day, and today, exactly like the last time, we will gonna do an endurance simulation. So if you watch the previous videos, you already know the rules. If you haven't, I will explain them to you in a few minutes. By the way, today I will be racing with the dream team. I will be racing with my friends Luca Pedersoli and Andrea Gilardoni, and we are the team from disco to disco. Amazing. Il quale ha deciso di presentarsi con un R1 completamente stradale, forcella stradale, cavalletto, sella stradale, abbiamo anche il bauletto dove mettere i documenti nel caso lo fermassero in curva 2, clacson, catalizzatore, e ci ha dato la paga a tutti. Quindi dato che ieri ha fatto il fenomeno, è arrivato, ha fatto 38,6, la partenza con le gomme fredde se la becca lui.
Sì, io sono abituato a fare tutti questi esperimenti, parti con le gomme fredde, calde.
Esatto, quindi contiamo su di
Anche
te.
al Boldor mi ricordo che ero il terzo e entravo in pista con le gomme da 66 giri e facevo l'ultima ora di gara con le gomme da 66 giri fino a 100-101. Non so neanche perché mi ero candidato a sta roba, boh.
Ma poi mi avevi raccontato, non so se era al Boldor o in qualche altra parte, che ti avevano spiegato cos'è la gomma da qualifica. Me lo ricordi quell'aneddoto?
Sì, era la 200 miglia di Valle Lunga del 2005.
Sì.
Il tecnico della Dunlop mi ha fatto vedere la gomma da qualifica, mi fa one lap, ok, two lap, ok, three lap, mi ha fatto vedere Gesù Cristo appeso al muro. Però la tentazione di tirare anche col terzo giro l'ho avuta, ma
l'immagine di Gesù appeso nel box era
È stata una bella ancora, diciamo.
So today we will be racing not against Lanzi and Ruyu down there, former World Championship riders, because this morning they did 135.2, I did 139, so no way we can race against them. But we will be racing against Palladino, che corre con D'Ambrosio, che adesso è sparito, sarà andato a e hanno deciso di barare perché hanno portato uno che non può schierarsi e correre contro di noi.
Ma non è vero, ci
Sì.
divertiamo tutti, non è vero, dai. Mi sono limitato a moto standard.
Devo dire che
è anche brutto da vedere, non inquadrarla.
No, adesso riprenderò ogni dettaglio di questa moto. Anche lui si presenta con una sella stradale che, dato che dà poco grip, ha seguito il suggerimento di mettere un po' di nastro sopra per dargli grip. E nonostante ciò, nonostante il mezzo totalmente standard, ci ha dato la merda a tutti quanti. Tanto per cambiare. Perché vengono a girare con noi che ci abbassano solo l'autostima?
Aiuta, in questo caso ci aiuta noi. Non sarei venuto a Cartagena, ma ho trovato un amico che mi ha portato. Andiamo.
Niente, loro quindi saranno il nostro bersaglio. L'obiettivo, la nostra gara sarà su di loro, quindi si fa carica l'atmosfera qua. So we have just started the endurance simulation. Luca Pedersoli is riding now, and yes, the mechanic touched the camera while turning on the bike, and the camera is now working now. Sorry. The total laps are 95, so our strategy will be to make 2 stints each, about 15-16 laps. Easy. I already explained how this endurance works in one of the past videos, but anyway, I will do a quick recap. You participate in teams made of 2, 3 or 4 riders. Each rider uses his own bike, and you have one transponder. So when you go to the pit lane, you just switch off the bike, remove the transponder, put on the other bike, and the other rider starts. That's it. Easy. I think Luca has some problems with the gearbox, because it's the second time that in this corner he misses the first gear and he goes in neutral. So now he went wide and he lost the position. Not good. Yeah, but by the way, we have 90 laps to go, so easy. Luke, come on! He took back the position, so now we are back in 4th. And just for your information, Lanzi and Ruyu are not racing now, so they are not in the classification. Currently we are 4th overall. I don't know which class are the bikes in front, whether they are 600 or 1000. And Rolfo passed Pedersoli. He's going very fast. But now Palladino and D'Ambrosio are going in, so we will catch them. I can't wait to pass them. I'm not sure I'm gonna pass them. 16 laps are too long for me, so.
Vai, metti acqua.
Andrea is in, and he's riding pretty fast. And I don't know if I should be happy or worried, because next year he will be my opponent. We will be racing in the same championship. Oh my god, it's gonna be hard. Oh. Thank you, GoPro, for switching off after 2 laps. Thank you. Thank you so much. So you won't see Andrea's Stint. So now Andrea is in. I suggested Luca to use the used tire for the endurance, because last time, if you remember, we were lapping so many bikes. But today the level is more equal, so no many overtakes, and he was complaining about too much spinning, so should have put new tire. But now he has put the new tire and he's gonna use it in the second stint.
Gomma nuova? Sì, gomma nuova, ma anteriore da 50 giri, perché non facciamo in tempo a scaldarla. Vabbè, ascolta, non ci penso.
Stupendo. Potete dire a Rolfo di rientrare, che ha rotto il cazzo di girare?
No, gli abbiamo segnalato 15 giri fa, ma o non ha visto il cartello, ma dubito perché ha ragione il tuo.
Ma quant'è che è dentro?
25 giri, 24 giri.
E quanto sta girando?
38 e mezzo, 39.
25 laps at the pace of 38, and he won't stop. After 10 laps I explode, and I don't understand how is that possible. That's crazy. Anyway, now it's my turn, and I will tell you 2 things. The first is, I don't know which problems my body has, but despite the training, I am devastated by yesterday. I have pain in all my muscles. I don't know, I may have some physical problem because I don't understand. The thing is that my legs are on fire. Okay, by the way, we'll try to make 16 laps. And the second thing is that I'm running with used tires. The front is ripped off and yeah, it has 30 laps, and the rear also has 30 laps. So let's fly! Yeah! No, guys. The feeling in the front is pretty bad. So actually, it's not the number of laps that determines the wear of the tire. I mean, it's not only the number of laps, but also the conditions of the tire. A torn 30 laps tire is worse than a clean 50 laps tire. And in order not to tear, you need to adjust the setup properly for your bike, and especially for the asphalt and the temperature, and choose the right compound for the temperatures. So today it's cold and it easily tears. And what you feel when the front tire is torn, something like a sort of mesh in front, or like chewing gum, okay? It means that when you're cornering, you don't feel the front running smoothly, but you feel it like chewing the ground. So it's useful to experience this situation in order to understand how it works, but it doesn't make sense to crash, okay? We're racing for fun, so let's stay calm. Guys, I am devastated. After 14 laps, I feel pain everywhere. It is something that I will have to solve together with my trainer, because if I want to win the races and the championship this year, I must fix it. By the way, 14 laps, it's time to get in now. same as last time. Now, 5 minutes after the end of my session, I'm not exhausted, but during the whole stint, I felt my legs burning. They were literally burning, and I don't know why. Pegs are the lowest possible. Saddle is high. I don't understand, really. I don't understand what's wrong with my riding or my position. And I did 14 laps. I thought I did 20. And Rolfo did 30 laps with that bike, which I'm not sure is a racing bike, with a 138 pace. Now we are third with 50 seconds from the second, which are Palladino, D'Ambrosio and Rolfo. Now Luca Pedersoli is going 3 seconds faster than D'Ambrosio, so he might catch him. But with Rolfo, with the 30 laps that he did in a row, they will maybe make 1 stop less than us. And that might be a big deal. No, please, no. No, Luca entered 3 laps earlier and I didn't notice it. So I didn't turn on the camera on the bike of Andrea. No. I want a race. I cannot do the rider, the cameraman, the actor. I need a race. However, I'm sorry, Andrea. You did magnificent things in this session, but nobody will see them. Sorry. However, now it's my turn. Last stint. Just pray for my muscle to hold on. It should have been an easy stint, right? 3 laps of advantage on the third, 1 lap of delay on the first, cramps that makes my life impossible, so let's just ride slow until the end, right? Well, nope, because suddenly a world champion named Rolfo passes me, and then I go crazy. From that point we started 10 laps of total war with overtakes, drifts, heartbreaking, missed high sides. I was fighting for nothing but the fun and the glory to say I passed him. And guys, get ready, because in the second part of the video you will see an incredible fight.